Guys, this is Amit Don and Walking Lady,
Hello.
and we are going for the whale shark tour. And you can see that we have our gear and snorkeling gear right here. And we are on this van going to the harbor or the dock area. So that's where we're going to start our whale shark tour for today. And we are leaving. This is Dhigurah, which is a local island in the Maldives.
This is has to be put in the mouth, right?
I don't know how to use it. They're going to show us.
Yeah, but I think we need
No, I don't think they're going to give me one. I don't know if it's in the mouth. I'm not sure.
Yes, Daddy. You have to put it in the mouth, right? You will breathe it through your mouth.
Oh, maybe this one. Oh no, that can.
But I don't know.
Oh man,
I don't
yeah.
have-
You don't have white wipes?
I have, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I think.
You know, in Thailand they give the pressure.
Yeah, they're supposed to give a new one. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is the boat we're taking for the whale shark tour, and we're gonna have to wait later. And we left our sandals on the dock, and they said it's okay. No one is gonna take it. And you can see the Maldivian waters, and hopefully we'll get to see the whale shark today. And Walking Lady is getting ready too. And
I have to wear this.
You know, yeah,
I have to wear this later.
later. And this thing is wet. You can feel, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
wet.
it's wet. I think the whole boat is gonna get soaked later. I have a feeling, but we'll see.
I think it's just there floating, right?
Yeah. Hey guys, so the tour just started, and this is our boat, and you can see that's the engine right there, and there are other boats like there behind, and this is we're entering the harbor area, and they gave us a life vest, so we're just going to wear these and the snorkeling gear, and then we're gonna get ready for the whale shark. Started picking up its speed, and they sent a drone, so they are like, you know, chasing for the whale shark now. So I think they're sending the drone now. Oh, it went up now. Can you see? Yeah.
Maybe later.
Maybe later, yeah. So the drone went up, guys, and we are kind of floating here, just to see, you know, if the drone catches anything. But look at the water.
Very blue.
Yeah.
Turquoise.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that. No, I'm just saying the color.
Yeah. You can really see.
Especially if it's sunny, you know?
Yeah. If it's sunny, you can see really much better.
There, there's another one.
So guys, we saw these green fishes
Yes,
here.
yes.
So I don't know what are they, but they're just going here and there.
Oh man.
They look
So,
beautiful.
swimming is so deep. There.
What? Oh, there's the other one.
They're swimming so deep.
And that's another resort, but we don't know the name of the resort. So right now we are parked here waiting for the whale shark, but at this, oh look, so many of them there. Look.
Yeah.
There's too many of them here.
I think they should feed the fish here.
Yeah.
They should get food here.
these lots of green fishes now. It's you have to kind of look deeper, but these are different types.
I hope they float. So deep, like the same.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to.
Look down and go. Look down and follow
Yes,
the
you can jump and follow them.
How do you put it in the mouth?
Yes, yes. You can jump. When you jump, you touch here and jump. Okay?
Can I ask someone to get the shot for me?
Where's the fish? I don't see the fish.
It's coming here. Jump and see. Look down.
Jump fast. Jump fast. Otherwise you couldn't see.
Otherwise you can't see.
I wanna see. I will just, you know. I will just stay here.
Take this feet also. Up here. Okay. Okay, jump.